Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Wix to Amazon using LitCommerce for more efficient multi-channel management. Let's start with how to connect Wix to Amazon. First, on your Wix dashboard, go to the Apps section, open the App Market, and search for LitCommerce. Then click Add to Site. After that, click Agree and Add to install LitCommerce for your Wix store. Once installed, you'll be redirected to the LitCommerce app. Here, your Wix store will run as a main store. Now let's connect your Amazon store as a sales channel. Click Connect under the Amazon logo, then enter your store name. And click Connect your account. After that, check the box to grant permission. And click Confirm to allow LitCommerce access to your Amazon store data. Once finished, you have successfully connected Wix to Amazon. Now let's move to step 2. List Wix products on Amazon. Once you've connected LitCommerce to your Wix store, our tool will automatically import your Wix products to the All Products section. To list products from Wix to Amazon, select the products you want to list and click Select Action, then choose List Products to Channels. After that, check the box beside your Amazon store and finally click Add as Draft Now. You will then see these products in the Amazon Store tab. As you might know, Amazon may require more product details than your Wix store. Click on the product to review and edit it before publishing. On Amazon, each product is assigned an Amazon Standard Identification Number, a SIN. If your product is already selling on Amazon, you can look up its SIN and use it. Otherwise, enter your GTIN, Global Trade Item Number. Amazon then will help you find an ASIN or generate a new ASIN for you. I'll also add a guide to GTIN exemption on the top right of the screen if you want to learn more. In my case, I will choose the product based on my ASIN search results. Next, you can optimize your product title and description for Amazon and fill in all other required product details. Once your products are ready to list, click Save and Publish on Amazon. Then you might see your listings in the draft section on Amazon. Now, let's move to step 3, how to import and link products on Amazon. On your Amazon store on LitCommerce, click Import from Amazon. Then choose your preferred options such as automatically linking listings with the same SKUs or UPC. As for the Include FBA items option, LitCommerce defaultly do not import the FBA products as Amazon does not allow inventory sync for these items. Once you finish setting up your options, click Begin Import and you'll be redirected back to your Amazon Store tab. To list Amazon products on Wix, select the products, then click Select Action and choose Create on Wix. After that, the listings will appear on the All Products page. If you allow LitCommerce to automatically link products on Wix and Amazon, the linked products will be marked with a blue dot. Products that are not linked will have a red dot. To manually link them, hold over the red icon, then choose Link to a product. LitCommerce will then suggest matching items. Click Select next to the matching products to link them. Once the product is linked on both channels, you will see the red icon change to blue. The last step is to set up Wix Amazon Sync. This will help keep data consistent across channels. Go to your Amazon listing page, click Channel Settings, and access the syncing options. Enable Price Sync to automatically update the price on your channel to match the price of the linked product. You can also choose to increase or decrease the price of all synced listings on the channel by using price rules. Similarly, you can turn on Wix Amazon Inventory Sync to keep your stock quantity always updated on both channels. Inventory rules can help you adjust the Amazon stock with a specific percent of available Wix inventory or set maximum or minimum stock quantity. Now, let's scroll down to the Order section to set up your order settings. Turn on Import Orders to Main Store if you want LitCommerce to pull your Amazon orders into your Wix dashboard. This allows you conveniently manage all your orders in one single place. However, please notice that, due to Amazon's restrictions, certain order details cannot be imported in your Wix store. Finally, click Save Settings at the bottom of the page to save the all Wix Amazon synchronization you've set. And that's how to integrate Amazon with Wix to reduce your manual efforts when selling on multiple channels. If you want to expand your sales channels to TikTok Shop or Etsy, go to Add or Manage Sales Channels and connect the channel you want. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or contact our support team. we're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy selling.